Easy to spot IQ option blitz trading with optimal strategy, traded for 5 seconds with almost positive trading results. Easy strategy with native trading tools. An amazing trading strategy with IQ option uses the ATR or average true range and 2 exponential moving averages or EMAs. This strategy involves blitz trading, which is a fast-paced method with a 5-second period. Despite the speed, our method achieves a 70% to 80% winning rate and consistently delivers positive results. I will show you how to trade using this method. Take a look at this. Our 2 EMAs are far apart and moving down. Our ATR is also going down. We will wait for the second candle, which is moving up. Let's trade going up on this. We got good results from that. Here's a good trading reversal. The trend is going up, and now we expect a reversal here. We have our reversal pattern here. Let's trade moving down on it. The EMA lines are smooth, and the ATR is steadily decreasing. Not every trade will be having positive results. I also experienced straight loss before these trades. However, this method requires a bit more practice to succeed. Another possible 5 seconds reversal here. Our ATR is going up. And a reversal trend pattern here. Got our winning trade on that. Take a look at this, a smooth trend flow here, as it already creates a 2 consecutive 5 seconds uptrend candle going up, while our ATR and 2 EMAs are on smooth operation. Let's trade up on this. Our trading settings is this. Our ATR period will be 16, then our first EMA line settings will be 23, then the second EMA period will be 40. This is optimal settings for 5 seconds blitz trading, but you can tweak it depending on your trading style. See the rest of the video and don't forget to like and subscribe with us to get the latest trading strategies with IQ option and other trading brokers out there. A potential uptrend state here, a smooth trend operation and a high chance to have this trend going up for 5 seconds. We got reversal spot here and we follow the trend going up. Perfect trading strategy.